Okay, in today's video, I'm gonna try and highlight the differences between trading and investing in stocks, So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Okay, the first difference, of course, is the return on investment. With trading, you expect a quick return on investment. You fund your account, you expect to at least double your account by the end of the day or within a minute, within 15 minutes, within 30 minutes, within an hour, depending on what time frame you're trading on. So you expect to make essentially double your account or to make a lot more money than you expected in a short time frame. So you expect to make a return on investment quicker there as opposed to stocks, because with stocks you expect to make your money back, let's say in a month, in a year, even depending on what stock it is. And sometimes it's even longer than that. It might even be years before you even see the return on your investment. So that's the first one. And the second one is, of course, the risk. Trading, for me, in my personal opinion, it holds more risk as opposed to investing in stocks, because with stocks, it gradually goes up and it gradually comes down. So you can expect some level of stability when it comes to stock, because a stock is not going to really drop significantly low unless something really bad happens, a huge scandal happens that affects the company, and then obviously the pricing of that company, that company stock obviously is going to plummet. But if it's just the company is growing, they are making very important key investments in key areas, then obviously you are going to expect a gradual uptrend and maybe a gradual downtrend depending on whatever issues that are surrounding the company. But when it comes to trading, you can lose a lot of money just like that, in a matter of seconds, in a matter of minutes, in a matter of hours. You can lose all the money that you might have in your bank account, all the money that you might have in your trading account. It can just evaporate like that, quick, gone, So I believe trading, for me personally, especially when you're trading high risk commodities or just currency pairs, you are gonna lose a lot of money, and it's really gonna mess with your psyche. So I feel like I would gravitate more to investing in stocks, because it has a level of stability that trading really doesn't have in most cases. The third one is obviously the capital, the buying. Stocks requires more money for you to buy into. You're not just gonna walk up and be like, yeah, I got $10, I got $100, I would like to buy a stock. You're probably gonna require $10,000, $100,000, sometimes even more, depending on the stock that you want to invest in. You are gonna require a lot more money to buy into a specific stock, especially depending if it's a startup company or already existing company. So startup, maybe you are gonna be able to buy in at a lower range, because all the key developments haven't been done yet. The company is gonna gradually grow to a point where it has a high range stock level, So, but if it's already an existing company, let's say like Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Tesla, and all the other ones, for you to buy into those companies, for you to buy shares into those companies, is gonna take you a lot of money, and you're gonna have to part with a lot of money for you to even buy even one stock or one share of the company. It's gonna take you a lot of money. But when it comes to trading, as you've seen with many brokers, you can open up a trading account with $10, $100, So you can trade, you can gradually grow that $10 to 20, 30, 100, and so on. So the buy-in is less. That's because brokers eventually take on the huge burden when they give you leverage, so that you can trade certain commodities without you having to put up such a huge buy-in. but with stocks, you're gonna part with a lot of money. Number 4 is research. You know, you have to do a lot of research before you really invest into a particular stock. You're gonna have to do a lot of research on the company. You're gonna have to do a lot of research on the managerial structure of the company. But with trading, you can basically, this is not something I'm advocating, but you can basically wake up and be like, I want to trade this certain currency. I want to trade Bitcoin. I want to trade this. And you can somehow get away, and you can get a certain reward from those trades. But you are going to have to do research at some point if you really want to be a good trader. If you really want to be an excellent trader, you're going to have to do research. But I feel like when you are investing in a stock, you have to do a lot of research before you part ways with your money, because the buy-in is huge. You know, the risk is higher if that stock fails, and if the company fails, then obviously you're gonna lose a lot of money. Sometimes even millions of dollars that you're gonna lose because you didn't do the research. So I would say the level of research that has to be done before you invest in a stock, for me personally, is higher as opposed to you trading a certain currency pair and so on. And obviously the most common thing, or the most common difference between the two, is the long term and short term, which I kinda like combines everything that I've just said. Stocks are long term. You expect a return on investment in a longer time frame. You know, it's something that you're gonna gradually be able to appreciate, as opposed to trading is short term. You're gonna have a lot of highs, a lot of lows, you know, and it's just gonna be like that every day. You're going, you're happy, you made profit. You're sad, you made a loss. You're sad, your stop loss was hit. You're happy, your take profit was hit, and so and so. So obviously, we've come to the end of the video. If you like the content that I've created, please like the video, subscribe to the channel so you get notified every time I drop new content on the channel. So with that being said, thank you for watching. Have a great night. Bye bye.